One can build a wealth of rupees 3 crore through monthly SIP of rupees 10,000 in mutual funds. How? Investing in mutual funds works on the power of compounding. Along with the amount invested, time also plays an important role. With time, the interest on interest factor keeps getting stronger, and you keep accumulating interest on your investments. The same monthly SIP of 10,000 can help you build rupees 22 lakhs in 10 years, rupees 47 lakhs in 15 years, rupees 91 lakhs in 20 years, rupees 1.7 crore in 25 years, and rupees 3 crore in 30 years. The longer you invest, the higher the compounding effect and the greater the amount you build.